That's now. Today is the Monday, the 13th of July 2026. That's now 11:54. I'm looking forward to go. What? And then on Wednesday, 2 days down, we're going to Tough Wells by Cardiff Queens. It's going to cost 398, and obviously the train depot. In my support worker Ali, who's is going to be next Wednesday to there you go to see them picking up trains being tested, class 701, and obviously the southern train in the Great British Railway livery. No, Great Britain Railway livery, yes. It's the first time she's been here. I don't mind how that's at home if you can't do it, I don't mind. This, you said you got something in the car, you know, chocolate and the sweets, yes.
Can't hear it yet, Kev, can you?
So we're going that way, on the tracks over there, see? We're going that way, yes.
Oh, there's more tracks over there, is there?
Yes, goes towards Stafford.
Oh.
That's where I'm going on Wednesday, to Birmingham New Street. Then Birmingham New Street to Cardiff Central, then Cardiff Central to Cardiff Queen Street, then Tough Wells.
I think it's coming from that way, Kev.
What's that? 11:56.
So it was early then, weren't it?
No, Lumo train is the blue one.
Oh, there's two coming. This way. I know it.
Here.
What happened?
See, the bridge is that way, see?
There it comes.
What's that? 11:57.
Does that mean there's another one then?
I reckon it's the cross country one again. We're passing away to Lincoln for Peterborough. Yeah. I see, man.
Here's number plate, it says Flake.
Yes. And now 11:58. So you're free on the you can look at your calendar now while you see you're free on the 28th of second. Anna's free. Just you can look at your calendar, sees you're free. You think you can? Are you free?
I've got to check it at home. It's on my calendar at home.
Alright, alright. What's that? 11:59. What do you prefer, that one or the one that goes to we saw Milton Keynes? What's your first?
Oh, I don't know.
Same company.
Weren't Milton Keynes, that was the new one, wasn't it?
It's the same company, yes. The Lumen one we saw at Milton Keynes.
Yeah, I like that one. Which one's your favourite?
Is this the old EMR Eastwood Railway 222s? Yes. This one's a class 803.
The one now going to come?
No, the one that's gone. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that one, that's a little one.
How's that? 12 o'clock. That's the one we're going that way.
That's the one you'll be on, is it?
9:54, yep.
On Wednesday.
Yes. He said it's Birmingham and he had to go Birmingham to Cardiff Central, yes. Comes away from Nottingham, that one.
Is it really?
Yes. So you haven't got your hand on your phone, so it's at home, is it?
Yeah. Oh, turn.
What's that? 12:01. I'll see you in part 2.